Started recording. So I've got my INAIR Pod, got a couple windows open, and I have the XBXPlay window open with Crimson Desert streaming from my Xbox, which is only about 4 feet away from me. So I can hook up a controller to the INAIR Pod, but I'm just leaving the controller connected directly to the Xbox so I don't create any more bandwidth issues. So if I maximize this, and I'm in, oh, I don't know what mode I'm in. Oh, I'm recording, so the Z-axis is turned off. So I've maximized that. I can also follow me. So right now I'm moving my head up and down. You're not seeing anything move. But if I turn off follow me, so now it's kind of free. The reason I did that is because I can make the screen extremely big. So now if you're playing like rally racing or a game like this and you want to, it's not true look around yet, but at least I've got more of the window there and I can kind of look as I'm playing. So now I'm going to grab my controller and I can look with my glasses a little bit, and I can also so very nice. I had tried hooking these Ray Neo Air Pro glasses directly up to my Xbox, and for rally racing, every time like I'd hit a bump or something and I'm jerking my arms around, it was just making everything, it was making the whole frame jump. So it would definitely be a lot better because now the screen is just staying locked up in space. And if I need to move it around or something, I can just go down and grab it and
got a story to share.
Move it to where I want to move it. Back, in, more. So this is definitely
a hearty good day to you.
This is definitely the way to game.